Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try a new game what I not really have done ever while recording a YouTube video, and I am here with me on my other account. 3, 2, 1. Wait. I have one piece of gold. An iPad. Okay. Let's just try opening a chest because I know this game, but I have never recorded a YouTube video in it. So anyways, well, I'm a good builder on iPad because I used to play this game, but now I don't. But I still sometimes play it, but I forgot about it. But since my friend was playing this, it reminded me of this. Oh my gosh! I'm glad I'm back in this game, and I have kind of much buildings. And I can show you all my boats. Okay, let me spawn a boat. One second. Where is it? Okay. Well, this boat is called Houseboat. Well, I really tried my best, and it is my boat on iPad, but it ain't really a pro on computer. Whoop. So let's just go inside and try it. Wait, one of them I actually really like. This was actually my first pro build, and I actually got this engine from someone else. It's a houseboat where you could like sleep, you could eat. There's a kitchen, or maybe no kitchen. Okay, my heel. I really like this thing. Yeah. It's just oh, wait, I'm so laggy. Wait, I'm lagging. I'm really laggy. Whoa. What the? Okay, now. Oh. Hey! No. It might not be as great, but I guess. Wait, what is this thing? Does it make any noises? Let me put on my voice. Whoa! Okay, it does not make anything. Any noises. And why is there a random door here? Because I wasted it. Okay, now. Oh my gosh, I'm putting my volume on. Okay, now. My second house is this. This one I actually really like. Let me get out before I get stuck. Well, this is like a soccer team room. Let's just wait till it loads. Come on, load. Okay, well, over here is just some random thing. Well, over here I still had pretty much blocks. So, seems like a soccer team. I'm pressing the wrong key. Oh my gosh, help. I really don't want this. How much new channels are there out there? Okay, now let me try it again. Let's look out the window. Oof. No. Wait, what is? Oh, you're supposed to. Hiya. Okay. Anyways, what do you think? What boat do you think that I shall launch? I think I should start with this one, so we can have some fun when I launch it. Yes, launch the boat. Launch the boat. Okay, well, anyways, we're riding, but I actually, all the boats that I have tried to make them to be fun and interesting to be inside with, not to just sit down and wait, but to actually do something in it, like going upstairs. Whoa! We're stuck. Wait, we have balloons! They grew, yes! Oh my god. My balloons! Woo! Okay, anyways. Oh my gosh. Our boat is like overprotective, I guess. But also, I know a good idea of a boat that I wanna try going inside and launching the boat. Really boat. So let's just have some fun here. Stop! Stop! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Help! Okay, let's well, you know there's an upstairs, right? The upstairs help me. You know, let's just try going to the upstairs. Come on, just do it. Just do it. There I am. No. Here's the upstairs. I don't know why there was some punches here. Whoa, a butterfly! Another some flowers. Wait, I thought the butterfly was actually no. I cannot die. And help me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Close it. No. Close it. No, not Elise here. What just happened? Well, that was really weird. But I guess I shall load this boat. Let me. I keep pressing the wrong key. Bukan. Nah. So, here's the houseboat. No, I don't know where I'm going. But anyways, okay, let's just It already has a giant bass. It's so fast. Okay, I think I shall just stay here. Well, I think the basement is actually the best place to survive. Let's just launch the moat. Also, what I really like, I especially place the sea and the window in the front, especially to see what's going on outside. See like this. Oh my gosh. Hello, blocks. Oh, whoop, block. Wait, how didn't the block disappear? What the heck? Well, at least he can save us from dying. Save us! Oh wow, it just broke. Nice. Ow, ow. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe just a normal room. Just never mind. Adios. Welcome. Wait, we stock? Hey. Let's just restart. Whatever. I'm bored. Plus 15 gold. Thank you. Now I'm gonna buy a chest. Oh, nice. Let's just try building something. When I'm here. Whoa. Wow. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Let's just stay here. Let's just look at how I build. Never mind. I really want to build something really cool. And what I'm trying to build, something really cool. Well, tricked ya. Maybe I didn't. But anyways, never mind. It's just trying to make this perfect. Oh my gosh. Now. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to build something that's nice and cozy, I guess. Nanny! Okay. Let's just get this over with. Suck. And of course, how to even enter this? Oh, no mind. Okay, this is gonna be tough. but we do need a roof. Okay, now we are both set here. Oh, just a little thing here. There. Oh my gosh. Can I get out of here? Let me just. Oof. No, I couldn't. Oh, come on. Oof. Whoop. Now, let's just see how I Let me just use these blocks. Oh, I don't have one more. Wait, I lost them. Oh, these modern blocks. So, oh. Hey. Oops, sorry. Hehe. Dang it, I don't have them. Oh, I do have these. Now let me just cover up the roof. And the last thing I want to do is save it, of course. Now to see the friendship boat. Wait, I am. Oh wait, dang it. So now let me just add something real quick. A little window. Oh wait, dang it, I forgot to add myself a window here. Now, let's search in here, window. Help. Help. Wow. Anyway, now, let's just. Come on, delete this thing. Come on. Now. Now we see each other. And we can just. Why is there a random window here? Come on. Oh, I forgot him. Dang it, let me just fix something here. Here. All done. On the boat. And this is perfect. Oh man, I forgot the seats. I forgot to save it. How dumb I am. I literally forgot to save this. No. Attention to save nothing. What the? Oh. Wow, at least I guess I'm gone. Let's just look out the window. Wow. Yes! The little block saved my life. Oh, but no mind. Oh my gosh, the butterflies always scare me. The butterflies always scare me. Well, anyways, I think I'll never be damaged. Well, they would never touch me because this place isn't fun. Oh, Nanny! Oh my gosh, I have no invention. You don't have to be so, yikes, it sucks like this. It sucks. It sucks seeing this boat broken. What's in the chest? Oh wow, this really did have an update. Ever since this played this last time. Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, it's really talking. The hammers are flying in the air, right on top of my boat. Why are they landing on top of my boat? Oh my gosh! Wait, it knows where I am. This little person knows where I am, so it's just literally trying to wake my boat. See? You hammer. Oh my gosh. These things look pretty scary, dude. They're big and throwing these things at my boat. Why my boat? Ow. Well, this did look scary. Oh my gosh. What is it now? Wait, is this the one that had an update? This was the most hated one, I think. This was the one that had an update, I think. Well, maybe. Whoa, there's only one more thing to win! Oh my gosh, no, this didn't really had an update because how am I dead? Never mind. Whoa, plus 53 gold. Okay, let's just do it again. But this time, I probably won't lose the yellow. I just put myself inside of here. Make me inside of this thing. Now, let me just cover up myself. Just to not be damaged, okay? Now extra defense time. I'll surround myself with even more. I'll surround this thing in even more blocks. Oh my gosh, this is so let's go to the side. This is literally like filled with so much block. I have to go up my whole damn boat. Wow, this is not really a boat. Well, someone can just see it. Okay. And Hello. Hello. Wow, I forgot about this one. An Annie. Jeez, I'm so overprotective. No. Just had all of this random stuff. Or maybe I'm a random YouTuber. Some of y'all don't know. No, let me. There is no way that I'm having enough blocks to fill in this. I guess. How do people even find out my channel? Well, I don't know. Probably they just don't know. Because I'm weird and lonely. I only have 5 subs. I have never seen someone who has the most subscribers. But I have seen very much people in the world. No, come on. Come on. Come on! I can't put a block in. What the heck? I never will ever know how I will ever be able to even get inside on this if I save this. What the heck? Okay, so I guess I need a seat. Wait, I need blocks on the ground too. Whoa, 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 oh my gosh. I know. Have you ever seen a YouTuber that has the most subs? I need a seat. Come on. I need to sit in here. I am. Oh my gosh. I have normal seats. This is my only seat. Oh my gosh. I guess I shall just do this. Help me. I think there is at least a way that someone will ever even. No. Block, not black. Okay. Okay, now I think this is the way. Now, I need to know. Do. Hee. Oh my gosh! This is much fun. Dude, I don't need so much fun. Um, Now. I really hope this will work. But it's the last try. 3, 2, 1, launch the boat! Hey, launch the boat. Launch the boat! Why ain't it launching? Come on, what is not working with it? Did I save the boat? Oh no, let me leave, John. And I found. Oh my gosh. Because the game is full. Okay, well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Bye, everyone. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, everyone.